All right, welcome. Let's meet sitting on the bolster or cushion, whatever you have available that will support your pelvis and have your knees lower than your hips. And that helps with the posture that we were talking about. Yeah, and just take a moment to wiggle and find your comfortable position, at least for now. And just give a gentle squeeze along the legs with your hands, just to get into your body, a little bit of grounding. And then a gentle squeeze along the arms all the way to the shoulders. And give yourself a hug. And release. Nice. And then interlace your fingers, place your hands on top of your head. Gently press down with your hands and upward with your head so that you elevate your spine. Notice the difference. And then release. Nice. So now if you want to just take a moment to close your eyes or lower your gaze down to the floor and find the awareness of your breath, just the way it is, without changing anything. Just the breath. Follow in any way. And for today, I'd like to offer a fun little good wishes for the week. Wishing you a great start on Monday, no obstacles for Tuesday, no stress on Wednesday, no troubles on Thursday, many smiles on Friday, a joyful Saturday, and a relaxing, peaceful Sunday. Have a blessed week. So keep your lower gaze or your eyes closed for a moment. And let's breathe together. Let's find our inhale through the nose. And exhale, open your mouth, relax your jaw. Long inhale through the nose. And as you exhale through your mouth, open your mouth and make a sound. Feel free to just release and let it out. Again, another long inhale through the nose. One more. And pause at the top, a moment of peace and stillness. And then exhale slowly, slowly through your mouth, releasing, softening your whole body. And then allow for your body to breathe naturally again. And gently open your eyes when you're ready. Nice. So let's start from the top. On the inhale, tilt your head back, look up to the sky. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, head in the center. Exhale, turn your head to the right. And then continue breathing at your own pace as you tilt your head to look up to the sky. Release in the center, inhale. Exhale, turn your head to the left. And again, allow for your breathing to return normally, naturally, as you tilt your head to look up to the sky. And then release in the center. Nice. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, release the shoulders down. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, release. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, release down. Nice. Extend your left arm out. Place your left hand by your right ear and a gentle stretch to the side. Extend your right arm out, fingers pointing up or down, or wrap your arm around your back and relax the shoulder. Just a gentle stretch for your neck. Breathe in at your own pace. Release. Switch side, extend your right arm out, place your right hand by your left ear, gentle stretch to the side, extend your left arm out, fingers pointing up or down, or wrap your arm around your back. Always relax the shoulder. And release. Nice. Now inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades, hug your rib cage with your elbows, and release. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades and release. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades. Nice. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And then roll the shoulders one at a time, back first, up, back and down, up, back and down. And then forward, one at a time. And back together. Nice. Interlace your fingers, place your hands at the base of your head. Inhale, press your head back, tuck your chin in. Exhale, release. Inhale, press your head back, tuck your chin in. Exhale, release. And again, inhale, press your head back, tuck your chin in. Exhale, release. Nice. Good. Now, cross your arms, one arm, one hand on each shoulder. Inhale. And on the exhale, start moving in circle to the right with your torso. Center, and then start inhaling back to center. Again, inhale, and then exhale, circle. Inhale back to center. And exhale, let's rotate to the left first. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, rotate to the left. Inhale, back to center. Nice. Good. Right hand at the base of your head, left hand pressing into the left shoulder blade. Inhale. Exhale, turn your head to the right and down to your right knee. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Now switch side, left hand at the base of your head. Right hand pressing into your right shoulder blade. Inhale. Exhale, turn your head to the left and down towards your left knee. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Nice. Good. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, release. Inhale, open your arms wide and rotate one shoulder, one arm at a time, and rotate palms up and palms down. Nice. And release. Inhale, open your arms wide. Exhale, give yourself a hug as you round your back. Inhale, open your arms wide, arch your back. Exhale, switch side as you cross your arm around in your back. Inhale, open your arms wide, arch your back, look up. Exhale, cross your arms, eagle arms, palms together. Inhale, lift your elbows, arch your back. Exhale, round your back, elbows down. Inhale, open your arms wide, arch your back, look up. Exhale, switch side as you cross your arms, palms together or wherever they land. Inhale, lift your elbows, arch your back. Exhale, round your back, elbows down. Inhale, open your arms wide, arch your back. Exhale, cross your arms, palms to the outside. Exhale, lean forward, forward fold as you slide your arms on your legs to the outside to stretch the middle of your back. Inhale, open your arms wide, arch your back, look up. Exhale, cross your arms the other way, sliding along here on top of your legs, palms to the outside, forward fold, exhale all the air out. And release. Just do some wiggling, some gentle movement, just to feel how you're doing now. Good. Nice. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, side stretch. And press the floor away from you as you breathe into your left hip. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, side stretch. Press the floor away from you. And breathe into your right hip. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, side stretch. One more round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms to cactus. Or W, whatever is available to you. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale in the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale in the center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale in the center. Exhale, twist to the left. One more. Inhale in the center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale in the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down, twist to the right. Say yes with your head. And say no. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, complete the twist to the right. No leverage with the hand on your leg, just easy. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, twist to the left. And again, say yes with your head. And say no. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, follow your eyes to the left. Complete the twist, no leverage with your hand. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, release. Now, if you like, we can come down from the bolster or the cushion, put it aside, uncross your legs. So let's bring some blood flow through the legs. Pat, 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 shake, shake. Roll side to side. Shake, 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 shake. Very nice. Move the flesh of your sit bones. Easy forward fold, flat back. No rounding of the back. In fact, you can even draw the shoulder back, squeeze in the shoulder blades just to continue working on your mid back. Nice. And then start massaging your legs upward, lymphatic self-massage, pressing the fingers tip into the skin, at least 3 times on each side. Lymphatic self-massage for detoxification and boosting the immune system. Three times, and then bend your knees, massage the back side of your legs. And then one more for the lymphatic system, a gentle nudge, a gentle massage at the groins. Very nice. Now bend your right knee. Bring your right foot across from your left leg. Use your left hand as leverage with your right knee. And on the inhale, your right arm goes up. And on the exhale, place your hands behind your pelvis. And on the next inhale, exhale, on the next inhale, lift your chest. And on the exhale, complete the twist to the right and use your arm to hug your knee or use your elbow as leverage. And take a few breaths here at your own pace. And then release, come back to center, uncross, unwind. And let's move to the other side. Bend your left knee, bring your left foot across from your right leg. Use your right hand as leverage with your left knee. Inhale, left arm goes up. And on the exhale, the hand press behind your pelvis. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, complete the twist to the left and use your arm as you feel comfortable. It's a gentle leverage with your knee. Always remember to follow your body sensations and what feels good today, what's available to you today. And release, come back to center, shake, 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 shake. Feet together, cradle your feet with your interlaced fingers and just rock side to side playfully to release the low back. Very nice. Now we'll move to tabletop. So in tabletop, if you have knees sensitivity, you can use the blanket under your knees or a towel. And if you have wrist sensitivity, you can make your fists or use the block and lean on your forearm. So modify as needed. We'll start lifting our feet and rolling the ankles, making some nice circles with the ankles, feet, toes, ankles, and then switching direction. And point and flex your toes. Very nice. Now release your toes on the mat. And now remember, rotate your elbows to the outside. Elbow crease faces forward like your fingertips so that you protect the shoulders. Let's make some wide circles with the pelvis. And if it feels good to you, arch and round the back at the same time. Keep warming up the spine. And change direction. Nice. Come back to neutral tabletop. Let's do 3 cat-cows. Inhale, lift your head, arch your back, point the tailbone towards the sky. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, lift your head, arch your back, point the tailbone towards the sky. Exhale, round your back. Exhale, all the air out. One more. Inhale, lift your head, arch your back, point the tailbone towards the sky. Exhale, round your back. And from neutral position, inhale. And on the exhale, walk your hands to the side to create a gentle curve with your spine. Inhale back to center. And on the exhale, walk your hands to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, check your elbows again. And let's extend the right leg back, point your toes into the mat and point and flex your toes a few times. and stretch through the heel. Find your focal point on the mat for balance. Lift the leg just a couple of inches from the floor. And if it's available to you, extend the opposite arm straight in front of you, thumb up. And on the next inhale, elongate from the fingertips all the way to the heel. And on the exhale, hand down on the mat or elbow to knee crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. On the inhale, hand down, leg straight back. And on the exhale, bring the leg all the way across to the left side. Look over your shoulder toward your toes. And breathe into the right side of your body, opening and lengthening. Bring the leg back, bend your knee, open and close to the side a few times. And then make circles with the same hip. Changing direction. Come back to tabletop and extend the other leg now. Switch side, left leg back, point and flex your toes into the mat. And stretch through the heel. Find your focal point on the mat for balance. Lift the leg just a couple of inches from the floor. And again, if it's available to you, extend the opposite arm straight in front of you, thumb up. And on the next inhale, elongate from the fingertips all the way to the heel. Make sure your leg is not up high, just a couple of inches from the floor. Exhale, crunch or place the hand down. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, hand comes down, leg straight back. And on the exhale, bring it across to the right side. And look over your shoulder toward your toes. And breathe. Visualize your breath elongating and opening the left side of your body. Now bring your leg back, bend your knee, stay where you are, and open and close to the side. Make circles with the same hip. Nice. Now from here, we'll extend the arms forward and as wide as the mat and lean down in puppy dog. Breathe in the sensations of your body. And from here, maybe slide your hands a little bit back. point your toes into the mat. And if you want to do the downward dog, follow along from here, or you can use a chair to modify. So lift your knees and walk, pedal a little bit, walk your dog, as we say. Keep warming up. And then you can start pressing your heels towards the floor. It doesn't have to touch the floor. And lift your pelvis up to the sky, your head in between your arms. And here is where you really want to rotate your elbows to the outside to protect the shoulders. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. And then you can lift your heels on the inhale, move your body forward. Exhale, bend your elbows, plank. Flatten your toes in the back and inhale, elongate your spine. And then you can put your knees down and come back to your tabletop. Have your left hand at the base of your head. Inhale, lift your elbow to the side. Exhale, bring your elbow down. Inhale, lift your elbow. Exhale down. Inhale, lift, open. Exhale down. Switch side, right hand at the base of your head. Inhale, lift your elbow, open to the right. Exhale, elbow down. Inhale, lift, open. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, lift and open. Exhale down. Now toes together, widen your knees. And before we settle in our child pose, extend your arms a little bit forward. Cross your left hand over your right arm. And then lean down with your pelvis towards your heels. Take a couple of slow, long breaths here. Slowly release. Come back to center. And let's do the same on the other side. Right hand cross over the left arm. And slowly lower your pelvis towards your heels. And take a couple of slow breaths here. Release. Come back with your arms in the center, and now you can find your child pose with your arms as wide as the mat, resting your forehead on the mat or on a block or on your arms. Choose the position that feels best for you. And relax in your child pose. Visualize your breath traveling along the spine, creating more space in between each vertebrae. And start slowly pressing your hands into the mat to come up to seated. And now we can move towards the block in the front of the mat. If you have only one block, or you can adjust the two different blocks that you have, you could also just use one. So see what works best for you. Left foot either in between the blocks or next to one block. Slide your right knee back, toes flat on the floor. Wiggle your tail, find your sweet spot. And use your breath to release the hip flexors on the right side, and gravity, of course, that helps too. And move your head maybe in any way that feels good, that keeps relieving tension in the neck, and keep exploring your range of motion. Release, extend your left leg, bring the blocks with you. And flat back, forward fold, hinge at the hip crease. Engage your hamstrings. Use your breath to release the tension, or point and flex your toes, or both. And turn your foot to the outside, IT bend stretch, relieving maybe compression from the back of the left hip. And release. Switch side. Now we'll have our right foot forward in between the blocks. Slide your left knee back, flat toes. And again, wiggle your tail, find your sweet spot. And breathe in to release the hip flexors on the left side. And again, you can continue moving your head and neck to explore your range of motion. Lubricate the discs in the neck. Release, extend your right leg now. Bring the blocks with you. And again, fold the flat back. Engage your hamstrings, point and flex your toes as needed. And turn your foot to the outside. And notice the sensations of your body. No judgment, just curiosity. With the help of the breath to release tight spots. And release. Now let's bring the blocks forward again. And let's use the low lunge to stand up. Point your toes in the back, lift your knees, swing back and forth a couple of times. And come with your feet together, knees bent, flat back. Engage your abs to support and protect your low back. Your neck is long. Inhale. Exhale, release all the way down like a rag doll. Swing side to side. On the next inhale, again, halfway lift, flat back. Open your arms wide like an airplane. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Draw the shoulder blades towards your tailbone. Exhale, release all the way down. Press your feet into the floor. Bend your knees. Come all the way up to standing. Arms up. Exhale, arms down. Shake it out. Shake it, shake it, shake it out. Good. Wonderful. Nice. Now extend your left leg to the side and point your heel into the mat. Bend your right knee, press both hands on your right thigh and slide your hip back. And extend your knee, so that is good for releasing the hamstrings and creating space in the knee. Release, switch side. Extend your right leg to the side, press your right heel into the mat, both hands on your left thigh, and slide your hip back. Make sure your toes don't lift on the left leg. And release. Shake it out. Now let's do a little bouncing for the lymphatic system. Just a little gentle bouncing. Yeah, shake, shake. Good, good. Nice. Let's find our chair pose to strengthen our quads and lift the knees. Hands to the heart, bend your knees, and find your imaginary chair behind you. Make sure your knees don't pass your toes. Find your breath. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the right, elbow to knee. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale in the center, release your arms down, exhale. Inhale, arms parallel to the floor. If you can stay in your chair position, you can use this opportunity to do your lymphatic self-massage on your arm. Of course, come out of the pose as soon as you had enough. And both arms, of course. Nice massage. And then massage your armpits, a gentle massage at the lymph nodes there. Good. Now release your arms down, and on the inhale, come all the way up. Exhale out. Nice. Let's find our warrior two. Micro bend into the back leg. Hands on your hips. Inhale, arms parallel to the floor. Strong arms in both directions. Nice. And revolve into the extended side angle. Now you can extend your back knee. And with the upper arm, we'll make 3 circles. 3, 2, 1. And up and out. Strong arm pulls you up and out. Wide stand, toes pointing to the outside. Bend your knees. Find your goddess pose. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades and make a sound. Ha! Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Ha! Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Ha! Good. Let's find our warrior two towards the left. Bend your back knee. Hands on your hips. Inhale, arms parallel to the floor. Strong arms in both directions. Exhale, continue breathing at your own pace. And find your extended side angle. Lean on your front thigh. Strong arm up and extend your back knee now. 3 circles with the arms. 3, 2, 1. Arm up. Strong arm pulls you up and out. Shake it out. Very nice. Whew. One more thing for the hips. Use the block maybe a couple of feet from the wall or from a chair or a countertop, a dresser, whatever you have available for support. Step on the block with your outside leg, and the inside leg is free to swing, releasing the hip flexor. Now with the same leg, give it a good shake from the hip all the way to the toes. And then safely step down, turn around, switch side, step on the block with your other leg, outside leg, inside leg is free to swing. And again, give it a good shake. And step down. Now we can use the blocks and the low lunge to come down to the mat, or you can try Malasana. Place the block under, right underneath your pelvis, wide stand, hands to the heart. Bend your knees and slowly come all the way down to sit on the block. And gently press with your elbows on the inside of your knees. Your spine is long, and you give a nice little stretch for your hips, at the groin especially, and release. Let's sit towards the top of the mat. Use your abs to slow your descent down on the mat. Slowly, slowly. And when you are all the way down, bring your knees to the chest, give yourself a hug, and roll side to side for a nice self-massage for your back. Place your feet flat on the mat, knees bent. Wiggle your shoulders so that your shoulder blades are flat and palms up. Take a couple of breaths here. Constructive resting pose. Now with your right hand, support your right leg. Flex your toes. Place your left hand under your knee joint. And turn your foot from side to side. We'll just create some space in the knee joint for the synovial fluid to lubricate the kneecaps and knee joints and the tendons. A release, switch side, left hand, support your left leg, flex your toes. Your right hand is just under your kneecap. And again, turn your foot from side to side. Release. Let's switch leg. Place your left foot on your right thigh. With your right hand, press on your hip bone on the right to keep your pelvis on the floor. And with your left hand, gently push away, press out. And take some slow breaths here, keeping a steady pressure on your leg. Make sure your toes are flexed to protect your knee. Release and switch side. Right foot on top of your left thigh, flex your toes. Left hand pressing on top of your left hip bone. Right hand on your inside of your right knee, pressing out forward, and take some long breaths here. And gently release. And make any final movement that feels good to you. Maybe just the knees to the chest or happy baby. Rocking yourself playfully from side to side. With curiosity, wonder, and awe. And gratitude for all that your body can do. And release. Use your bolster or cushion to support your legs so that your back can relax a little bit more. And find your nice, relaxed position for Shavasana for just a few minutes. Bring your attention to your breath. Take a long inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Relax your jaw. And bring your awareness to your breath once again. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Bring your knees to the chest. And roll all the way to one side. And enjoy a couple of breaths here with your eyes closed. And when you're ready, press your hands into the floor to come up to seated. Bring your hands to the heart. What a great start on Monday. And I wish you all no obstacles for Tuesday. Thank you for being here practicing together. Namaste.